Hello friends, I'm back with another video. This time I will be showing you how to make paneer kadai. That's an Indian traditional recipe of cottage cheese in a gravy with vegetables. So this dish is very popular, especially with vegetarians, and we often eat it outside in restaurants. But there is a problem with it, guys. A real problem. I used to eat it before in the restaurant, and after that I used to feel so thirsty. I couldn't quench my thirst for the entire day. That is because of high amounts of oil in this dish. So what can be done about it? The solution is there, guys. I have designed my recipe with very few amount of oil and as yummy as the original one. So please follow me. We are going to dry roast some spices. Since I don't want my dish to be overpowered by them, we use only few of the condiments. Some coriander seeds, cumin seeds, 1 pod of cardamom, some black peppers, 1 small stick of cinnamon. So that's all we need to dry roast, guys. The next step is marination of the paneer. Please check out my Kadai Paneer Recipe where you can see how I'm making this paneer at home. So let us marinate it. I'm adding just some few salt and Kashmiri red pepper. Mix it and keep it aside for some time. Let's dry roast our spices. So don't burn them. Once aroma will be released, we need to switch the gas off. Now for the gravy, I have taken 1 capsicum which I have cut in bigger pieces and 1 onion also cut into bigger pieces. We are going to saute these vegetables in some ghee. Let us first fry the paneer. We will fry it in some ghee only slightly. We don't fry it for long. Once it becomes slightly brown, we are going to remove it. So our paneer pieces are ready, guys. Let's remove them. In the same fry pan, we are going to saute our vegetables, first onions. As you can see, I didn't even add any oil. The entire preparation is cooked on butter. We don't need to cook it entirely right now because later on it will get cooked in the gravy. We just need to brown it a little bit. Add the capsicum pieces. Our vegetables are ready. They are translucent. They release a very pleasant aroma, especially the peppers, and they have been cooking almost without any oil. So let's remove them. For the next step, we will require the following ingredients. You can see it clearly. So let's chop everything. No need to chop very finely because we are going to then blend all these ingredients. Before blending the ingredients which I have shown you right now, we are going to fry them, to saute and simmer them. As you can see, I am adding 2 teaspoons of ghee. Before I have added another 2 teaspoons, and we do not have to add more ghee and more oil. Let us saute the onion till translucent. Add the chili and saute again. Add the garlic paste. Add the ginger. Grated. Saute until their raw flavor will get released. Add tomatoes. And simmer it on the low gas for few time until they soften. While adding salt, our tomatoes are going to cook faster. So with lid on, we need to simmer them for some more time. Our tomatoes are ready. Now let's cool the mixture and then blend it to a smooth paste. Now let's blend together the tomato onion paste with the dry roasted spices. Our paste is ready. Now let's proceed to the last stage of our preparation. The same pan we are going to continue the cooking. The final step, we are adding directly the mixture. We do not add more oil. So only 4 teaspoons of oil I have used for this recipe. We do not need to cook this mixture because it is already done. Just stir it for some time, for a while. I've added some water and the remaining mixture from the mixer container. I would like to add little tomato puree for the color, since I didn't get very red tomatoes. This is totally optional. We'll add some more water. If you like more diluted, you can add more water. Now let's add some cream to balance the flavors. Add our remaining ingredients, vegetables and paneer. Let it cook for a while. We will add some salt as well. Already salt has been added, so do not add more salt. To add to the color, I am adding some Kashmiri red powder. We will cook this preparation till our peppers will get softened. At the end, we will add some kasuri methi. So let's serve it. You can eat it with chapatis or parathas or rice, however you like. Enjoy, guys.